On 19th May 2022, the Minister of Health and Family Welfare Department, Government of Meghalaya, James P.K. Sangma, had inaugurated the high-end equipment unit at the State Food Testing Laboratory at Pasture Hills, Laumali, Shillong. Those present at the event included the Principal Secretary, Health and Family Welfare Department and also Commissioner of Food Safety, Government of Meghalaya, Sampath Kumar, the Secretary of the Health and Family Welfare Department and Joint Secretary, Food Safety, Rosette M. Kurba, the Director of Health Services, Government of Meghalaya, Dr. Amanwar, the Commissioner and Secretary, Health and Family Welfare Department, M.N. Nampui, the AFA cum Microbiologist State Food Testing Laboratory, Pasture Hills, Shillong, Wanda Mika Lingdo, researchers besides others. The high-end equipment unit has been funded by the Food Safety and Standard Authority of India. Addressing the gathering, the Commissioner of Food Safety, Government of Meghalaya, Sampath Kumar, said that food safety is a major concern, especially when it comes to consumption of organic and inorganic food items. He added that the state government's health policy is now more focused on preventive measures to health issues and also promotion of healthcare in the state.
And this is a very important thing. One is that like the food safety, when we are talking about food safety, is becoming a major area of concern for across the, not only here, across the world. The reason, like everyone knows that we should not eat the pesticides and fertilizers, but still we are using quite a large number of our population. We are using the same products. We don't have any option. So in this background, state government of Meghalaya brought a state health policy. This I spoke in the morning also. A state health policy which talks about a three-dimensional health policy, which not only because most of the time healthcare means sick care. Healthcare means sick care. Sick care means only when you are sick, then we go to the doctor, we go for some kind of a repair of the situation. But what the state government has brought is that we will actually focus more now on preventive and promotive healthcare, so that we will not wait till we fall. Before actually we are going to fall, actually we will get enough capacities that we can actually safely land. So that way the idea is that how actually we are going to increase the healthy lifespan of the people. So when I would like to say one question here also. I used to ask this question: do you know what is our average life expectancy of the state? It is almost like 5 years lower than the national average. National average, way back 5 years ago, national average was 68.5 years. Now it is about 70 years. That means 5 years lower than the national average. So our idea is that if we don't focus on the things that we're supposed to focus upon, we cannot increase the lifespan. So our idea is that how actually we are going to create life, how actually we can extend the life, how actually we can extend the healthy life, productive life. That is our goal. So all these efforts are going to lead to that direction. So this kind of a laboratory should help us to see that like what kind of things that what we are eating, how actually we are maintaining the standards, how actually we can promote chemical-free agriculture, chemical-free products. This is one way to look at it.
Gracing the occasion as chief guest, the Minister of Department of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Meghalaya, James P.K. Sangma, informed that the food testing laboratory in Meghalaya is accredited to the National Accreditation Board for Testing and Calibration Laboratories (NABL), which provides accreditation to conformity assessment bodies of laboratories in India. He also stated that the launch of the official website of the Commissionerate of Food Safety will be a game changer towards future health sector of the state and its people. Sangma further said that Meghalaya's health policy is a three-pronged approach in terms of curing, enabling and preventive measures to diseases that can be nipped in the bud.
This is the live site. This is live. So these are the information about the food safety website.
Not just inaugurating the lab, but also we are launching our commissionerate of food safety today, and it is something I believe will be a game changer in terms of how health and the health sector looks like in the future for our state and for its people. What Mr. Sampath, our Principal Secretary, mentioned about that our health policy, going by the acronym MOTHER, what we strive to achieve is a three-pronged approach, which is in terms of curative, enabling, and preventive. And I would like to really support him in saying this, that in terms of preventive healthcare, what we have launched here today is going to play an integral role in terms of ensuring that we nip all the kind of diseases in the bud in the future. We all know, we are all so most of you are from the medical background, and we all know how what kind of a role that food plays in terms of a person's health, the kind of food that what we consume, and majority of diseases happen which are all gut related, which are because of what we consume or what we eat. And that is why the lab that we are inaugurating today is going to be playing such an important role. It is indeed going to be a game changer in terms of preventive healthcare and in terms of what we as a government strive to do. It's not just about preventing disease and preventing medical complications for our citizens in the future. It's also looking at it from the point of view of quality life. Mr. Sampath, our Principal Secretary, mentioned about the economic benefits of having this. Another economic benefit that we would be having is by improving the kind of quality of life of our citizens in the state. This is an intangible benefit that we will be getting in terms of the productivity of an individual when he's a healthy person, the kind of productivity that he will bring in to whatever work that he puts in to contribute to the economy of our state, to bring about general being of wellness, to contribute towards a happy family. So all these kind of intangible benefits are immense, and I really feel that the kind of role that the lab and the commissionerate is going to play in the future is going to be one which will be very, very important for our state. I look forward to this lab and the commissionerate being an institution of excellence in the future. And the writing is already on the wall by the way that we can see that you have achieved already so much in terms of the NABL accreditation.